Hey, I'm Dr. Audrey Harrison, and I'm a research entomologist on the Fish and Invertebrate Ecology team as part of ERDC's Environmental Laboratory. And on this Earth Day, I would like to focus on biodiversity, or the variety of life on Earth, in a particular ecosystem, or in a habitat. In highlighting biodiversity, I would like to first ask that you notice biodiversity. Take a look around you. Notice the differences in the things that you see, whether it be plants or animals or even soils. Second, appreciate it. Learn a little bit about it. Become invested in it. And third, I would like you to encourage biodiversity. And you can do that in several simple ways. That can be planting species of plants that are native to your local area so that you can provide habitat for the organisms that depend on those plants. It can be lightening your load on the earth by reducing the things that you consume. Or it can be by supporting research and asking questions of your local scientists and really getting involved with science and biodiversity science itself. And if you do all of those things, we'll have a great Earth Day and it'll be the best yet. Thank you.